Let's learn Spanish. Hola a todos! Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here today. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to brush up on your skills, this is the perfect place for you. Today, we're going on a super fun adventure, and trust me, you're gonna love it. We're not just going to learn Spanish, we're going to experience it. Imagine yourself traveling through vibrant cities, tasting delicious food, and meeting amazing people. All while speaking Spanish. We're diving into the world of Spanish, and don't worry, it's going to be easy, peasy lemon squeezy. We'll start with the basics and gradually move on to more complex phrases. You'll be surprised at how quickly you can pick it up. Get ready to expand your vocabulary and impress your friends with your awesome Spanish skills. We'll cover everything from greetings and common phrases to more advanced topics like grammar and conversation. By the end of this journey, you'll be able to hold a conversation in Spanish with confidence. So, grab your notebook and let's get started on this exciting adventure together. Our first color is rojo. Rojo, like the color of a juicy strawberry, means red in English. See, wasn't that easy? Rojo, red, it's a vibrant and passionate color. Next up we have azul, which means blue in English. Azul reminds me of a beautiful clear sky or the ocean on a sunny day. It's a calming and peaceful color, don't you think? The color blue has always been associated with tranquility and serenity. When you look up at a clear blue sky, it feels like the world is at peace. Similarly, the vast blue ocean stretches out endlessly, giving a sense of freedom and adventure. Blue is also often linked to feelings of trust and dependability. Think about how many logos and uniforms use blue to convey reliability. Whether it's the deep blue of the night sky or the soft blue of a morning mist, azul has a unique way of touching our emotions and bringing a sense of calm to our lives. Let's learn the color amarillo, which means yellow in English. Amarillo is such a cheerful color, just like a bright sunflower or a rubber ducky. Now let's explore the color verde, which means green in English. Verde makes me think of lush green grass, leafy trees, and yummy avocados. It's the color of nature and growth. Our next color is negro, which means black in English. Negro is a sleek and sophisticated color, like a beautiful black cat or a starry night sky. It's a classic and timeless color. Time for blanco, which means white in English. Blanco reminds me of fluffy clouds, snowflakes, and delicious vanilla ice cream. It's a pure and innocent color. Let's learn the color gris, which means gray in English. Gris is a cool and balanced color, like a smooth rock or a gentle rain cloud. It's a calm and neutral color. Next up we have naranja, which means orange in English. Naranja is such a vibrant and energetic color, just like a juicy orange or a beautiful sunset. It's a warm and inviting color. Let's explore the color morado, which means purple in English. Morado is a royal and mysterious color, like amethyst gemstones or a beautiful lavender field. It's a creative and inspiring color. Our next color is rosa, which means pink in English. Rosa reminds me of delicate roses, cotton candy, and everything girly. It's a sweet and charming color. Time for maroon, which means brown in English. Maroon makes me think of rich chocolate, cozy sweaters, and the earth beneath our feet. It's a warm and grounding color. Let's learn the color beige, which means beige in English. Beige is a neutral and versatile color, like sand on a beach or a comfy pair of shoes. It's a calming and relaxing color. Now let's move on to the days of the week, starting with lunes, which means Monday in English. Lunes is often seen as the start of the week, a fresh beginning. Next up is martes, which means Tuesday in English. Martes is a great day to tackle those to-do lists and get things done. Let's learn miércoles, which means Wednesday in English. Miércoles is like the middle child of the week. We're halfway there. Now it's jueves, which means Thursday in English. Jueves is a great day to start planning for the weekend. Time for viernes, which means Friday in English. Viernes is everyone's favorite day, the start of the weekend. Let's explore Sabado, which means Saturday in English. Sabado is a day for relaxation, fun, and spending time with loved ones. Our last day of the week is Domingo, which means Sunday in English. Domingo is a day for rest and rejuvenation before the week begins again. Now, let's dive into the months of the year, starting with Enero, which means January in English. Enero is the first month of the year, a time for new beginnings and setting resolutions. Next up is Febrero, which means February in English. Febrero is the month of love and Valentine's Day. Let's learn Marzo, which means March in English. Marzo is the month when spring arrives, bringing warmer weather and beautiful flowers. Now it's Abril, which means April in English. Abril is a month of showers and blooming flowers, a beautiful time of year. Time for Mayo, which means May in English. Mayo is a month for celebrating mothers, enjoying spring weather, and spending time outdoors. Let's explore Junio, which means June in English. Junio is the start of summer, a time for vacations, sunshine, and fun. Our next month is Julio, which means July in English. Julio is a month for fireworks, barbecues, and celebrating Independence Day. Time for Agosto, which means August in English. Agosto is a month for warm weather, lazy days, and enjoying the last bit of summer. Let's learn Septiembre, which means September in English. Septiembre is the month when leaves start to change color and autumn arrives. Now it's Octubre, which means October in English. Octubre is the month for Halloween, pumpkin spice everything, and spooky fun. Time for Noviembre, which means November in English. Noviembre is a month for Thanksgiving, family gatherings, and delicious food. Our final month is Diciembre, which means December in English. Diciembre is the month for holidays, gift-giving, and spending time with loved ones. Thanks for joining me on this super fun Spanish adventure. It's been an incredible journey exploring the vibrant and colorful world of the Spanish language together. We learned so many new words today, from colors like rojo, azul, and verde, which can brighten up any conversation and make your descriptions more vivid and exciting. We also dived into the days of the week, from lunes to domingo, helping you plan your week and talk about your schedule with ease. And let's not forget the months of the year, from Enero to Diciembre, which will come in handy when talking about birthdays, holidays, and other important events. I'm so proud of you for taking the time to learn something new. Learning a new language is a big step, and you've shown great dedication and enthusiasm. Don't forget to practice your Spanish regularly, whether it's through speaking with friends, using language apps, or even watching Spanish movies. Every bit of practice helps. Imagine the joy and confidence you'll feel when you impress everyone with your amazing skills. Your hard work will definitely pay off, and you'll be able to communicate more effectively and connect with more people. See you in my next video. Adios, keep practicing, stay curious, and continue exploring the wonderful world of Spanish. Hasta luego, amigo.